Bookingsmaker.com, as you know, it is a revenue management company, and we offer light cloud-based PMS for our hoteliers, and we'll see full demo here about our light PMS. So we'll go with login screen and how we can log in and other process and all. So once if user ID password created, we'll share you the URL link. So it will be like a bookingsmaker.com PMS and login. And we'll provide you the email, user ID and password. And after feeding this, you can log in. If you forgot your password, you can click here and you can regenerate your password. You will get user credential to your email ID. And if you could not able to do, you can email us to pms@bookingsmaker.com. So this is the login screen. Once if you logged in, you will get the dashboard like this. So on the dashboard itself, we can able to do all the operation. So if you like to make new reservation, you can able to do here itself. And if it existing or walk-in check-in, you can do here itself. So basically, this is our logo will come here, and your hotel name will come here, and logout button here with your username, and your hotel logo will be displayed over here. So due to test, we have kept our logo, and you can keep your logo here. So it will be printed on your receipt and invoices and all. So now we are making new reservations. The calendar can see like 30 days and 7 days also. And new reservations, you can click over here and you can make new reservation. So the feature which we have, you can allow your camera, and if you can click here, you can capture your guest photos. And if they're existing customer, you can just type your mobile number, and by default their other details will be fed. So only you have to select their ID proof and ID number, because it may change each visit, and if it corporate or tour or purpose of visit, and company you have to select, then only GST number will be printed, and room category and room number, then which plan they are taking, EP or CP, whatever, and number of person. So accordingly tariff will pick up here, and discounts you can apply here, amount wise you can do. And if you click mail booking voucher, customer will get confirmation reservation voucher with cancellation policy. So if they are not coming also, they can get the payment. So director walk-in and online reference number, if your GoMMT or booking number can be fed here, and complimentary or not complimentary, you can extend stay timing, all those things, and then reservation. So now booking has been generated. This is a booking voucher number, and you can do open booking, check-in, and change booking date, no show, cancel reservation, and payment. Payment means like advance payment you can make here. So now I am going to make check-in. So booking has been checked in successfully. So now this guest is staying and this guest is staying. So totally 4 people are staying, and 1 rooms are expected arrival, and total available 4. So occupied 2. And here we can do checkout and change duration stay. Like if they are going only tomorrow, so you can extend their stay here itself. And you can change the room by selecting room shifting option. Room services, if they take any food, laundry, extra hours, sightseeing, whatever, so you can add over here with the reference number, anything as you referred, and remarks you can type. And then if you submit, the room service will be charged. And here you can see list of room services and what all the payments they made. All those detail will be loaded here. So checkout, once if you click checkout button, and you can able to see guest booking ID, check-in time, checkout time, and due amounts, all those detail here itself. And ledger you can select as a settlement, and payment mode cash or whatever, and remarks final settlement. Then mail invoice to customer, so they will get email to their hotel ID, and settle and checkout. So booking has been settled successfully, room became dirty now, and here you can get the invoice. So invoice will be like this. You can use any laser printer, and you can see the breakup, and GST number will be printed here. So this is a company's GST number, and customer GST number will be printed over here. So signature, and you can keep letterhead, or letterhead also not necessary because of the logo here. So then we are see for walk-in check-in. Earlier we have done reservation check-in and walk-in check-in we can do here. And reservation checkouts invoices can be printed here. Also on the reports we can take anytime whenever we need reprinting bills. So now we can clean the room after checkout. So clean my room. So room will be cleaned. So we can do other check-in also. So if you click here, same like a walk-in check-in also, and same like a mobile numbers and cameras, all those things will be same procedure. So then now on the dashboard, and other option after check-in, as we discussed earlier, all those features will be available. Under that you can able to see that plan, rates, all those things. So room positions will be showed over here itself. So occupied and other position. Now we will go for side menus like operations, it is check-in, check-out, and reports. So you can get the flash report. So this we can share to management. So every day in the evening by email or WhatsApp, by downloading also or printer also. And here you can see all the flash reports related thing, RevPAR and occupancy percentage, all the thing, and reservation report. So here all the reservation can filter by check-in date, check-out date, all those things, and amount wise also we can able to see. And arrival report, who and all expected arrivals can be showed here. And departure report, all the checkout bills can be printed here anytime. So once if you click invoice, it will be opened in the format, you can take the printout. And here you can change landscape or portrait, so as for your convenient. And master, so master booking source you can add yourself, like a walk-in, auto, taxi, whatever, and you can deactivate or activate anytime. Document type, so what are the ID they are giving, that you can add yourself and edit, remove, whatever. The payment mode, so if you want to add any more new payment mode, you can add yourself. Then setup, cancellation policy, so you can create the cancellation policy how you want to display. In the same like a GoMMT policy, you can load here. This same will send to customer on their reservations confirmation voucher by email. So the same can be used for the payment cancellation policy, whatever we can recollect the payment as per the policy. And hotel details, so this is most important. We will create the hotel name, you could not able to edit. If there is anything changes, you can inform us, we will do the needful. Logo, whichever you are loading, that will be displayed here, and your address and your GST number should be feeded here correctly, that will be mentioned on your invoices. Booking voucher names you can feed, non-smoking rooms, whatever, so that will be printed on the reservation voucher. So rooms, here you can create your room floors yourself, room floor names and number of rooms in the each floor. So then only your reservation calendar will be displayed. And room category, so this configuration until our team will help you out. And room categories you have to add over here. And rooms, number of rooms, number wise and floor wise. And you can activate, deactivate, and you can add additional rooms also yourself directly. And the plus in our Light PMS, all the rates, inventory plan you can add like a GoMMT, how you are adding tariff inventory for up to 1 year or 2 year, 3 years. The same tariff will pick up in your reservation check-in when you are making new booking. For example, some locations Saturday only they will keep higher price. So when you are loading price, you can increase, only select Saturday and category and plan, then particular dates, 1 year or 2 year or 1 week, and single, double, triple and quadruple tariff for children, infant, you can decide and submit. So according that tariff will pick up on your reservations. So this is the additional feature. And guest company, this is a corporate. Whenever you are adding corporate, it will be displayed here. So once if you type mobile number, by default you will get on the reservation all those details, no need to feed every time. Guest master, so all the check-in guest master will be showed here. You can inactive any customer, so they will be like a block list. So when you are doing next booking, they will become that customer on the blacklist. And here special note, the room numbers you can mention, so whenever they are coming it will reflect. So according that their preference we can give room. So all the customer masters will be displayed here. You can download anytime and you can save from your desktops too. And housekeeping calendar, housekeeping you can check the status, which all the recent activities happened, and the dirty room, clean room, and you can change the status anytime here, making dirty or maintenance block. So you can update all your housekeeping needs by clicking room number and status of the room, dirty room. If you want to make dirty, you can select dirty, and if you want to clean the room, clean my room. So 101, if you select dirty, it will become dirty room in the calendar. And user, you can create the user yourself. So when you're creating noticed housekeeping features, now we'll see for the user. So once if we click user, we need to feed a user role. It is a master or administrator. So according to operator, it will be the base feature allocated. So name and password, email ID, mobile number, active or inactive. So once if you add it, user will be created. So you can share the user ID and password. You can activate, inactivate anytime. So this is the future in our Light PMS. And if you like to know about more future, you can write an email to pms@bookingsmaker.com. So our team will make sure and they will clarify further. And thank you for watching.